Ahorita le va a querer dar. Le va a querer dar dulce, vas a ver. Mira. ¿Ves?
Are you trying to give the baby candy?
Mira. Le quiere dar un dulce.
She's trying to give her candy?
No, she don't have anything in her hand. She wants to carry her.
She wants to pat her back. It's okay.
Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss.
Give her a kiss. Nice, nice.
It's okay, my arm's right there.
Oh.
Son gas.